Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Sumaya. First of all, I'm gonna thanks to all for supporting my channel with loves. And today I'm gonna show you an amazing easy falcon hairstyle, and this hairstyle can be done in any kind of festival. So if you're interested to know this hairstyle, then let's begin. For this hairstyle, first of all, you have to make 3 ponytails. Then I'm gonna grab my first ponytail and then I'll give it a tight. After that, I'm gonna pull few hair's edges to give some volume on my crown part. After that, by holding the hair, I'll just make a knot the way you can see. Then I'm gonna fix it with bobby pins. There is no specific pattern to fix it. Just fix it the way you think it's gonna be secure. And before fixing my hair, I applied Argan Hair Essence all over my hair, and which is by Natural Republic. These essence are really so good, I must say, which bring my hair more lively and give more shine and manageable. And as my hair is super long, and I just stuck the extra hair inside that knot bun. Then the same way I'm gonna do my second and third ponytail. And I didn't apply any kind of hairspray on my hair. As I use the Argan Essence, it'll help me to manage my hair without flyaways. And if you think using hairspray gonna make your hairstyle look much more prettier, then you can apply it. But from my side, I'm gonna suggest not to use hairspray that frequently because it's really breaks the hair. And some of you can be really curious about what this Falcon Festival is. It's a festival for welcoming the spring, and it's really a traditional festival in our country, and I really love this festival. I'm telling it one more time that if you're really loving my hairstyle and want to support me, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a big thumbs up and share your love comment in my comment section below. My experts, now you can follow me on Instagram too, and that is the finishing touch with a bit of jewelry. I hope you really enjoy this hairstyle and you're gonna try it. So for today, ta-da!